Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to walk through how you can track the amount of time you've spent working on Navigator using your portfolio. So I logged in as a student and I can see my math class right here. So to track how much time I've spent working today, what I can do is come up to where my name and my picture are, and I can click, and that'll bring me to my profile page. What we want to look at is called your portfolio. So let's click on that. And this gives me a summary of everything I've worked on so far this year. Now I'm interested in how much time I've spent working on October 21st. So everything is broken up into two parts: collections, which are all those videos and practice questions you work on, and assessments, which are those mastery tests that you take. So I can see the date here, October 21st. I spent 8 minutes and 40 seconds on this collection called Describing Transformations Using Coordinates. I also spent some time on October 21st on Understanding Congruence of 2D Figures, and that is 8 minutes and 37 seconds. If I scroll down, I can see the next collection is on October 5th, so I'm not really interested in that. But so far on October 21st, I can see I've spent about, adding these two together, about 17 minutes on these collections. Now you've also spent time on those assessments or those mastery tests that you've been taking. What you see here is the score, and I can see this is on October 21st. To see how much time you spent, just click on the score. And I can see I spent 2 minutes and 13 seconds on this assessment. So if I add that to my 17 minutes that I totaled up before, I'm at about 19 minutes. I can also see I worked on this assessment on the 21st. So let's see how much time I spent. About a minute, so my total is now about 20 minutes if I add everything together. And let's see if I've spent any more time. I have. I worked on this assessment on the 21st. Let's see how much time I spent. About a minute and a half. So I've spent in total, if I add up my two collections from the 21st and each of my 3 assessments that I worked on the 21st, I spent about 21 or 22 minutes. There are some calculators online if you want to get an exact total. If you Google time calculators, you can use those to add up your times.